Today we're going to be making a video of slime. And you know why? Because slime is fun. There's a bunch of hair in my slime. But don't worry. This is how you get hair out of your slime. Too much water. Now we got a little thing. Got a little thing that glow up. We put in the slime glows up. And if we don't need this thing, we put in this little container. Because we don't eat it right now. But I'm just going to get out that little container right now because I need it. Just gonna. Let's speed it up a little. Yep. Guys, I did this much to it and all that time. It was storming a long, long time ago. I got this blue thing. One at a time. If you speed it up, that's not one at a time. If it was one at a time, it would be going like this.